Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you once again to this channel today. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So in today's video, what I have to share with you is an investment platform in which you can earn USDT every 2 hours. You can earn USDT, that is US dollar cryptocurrency, that is a cryptocurrency which is equivalent in price, in value with the US dollars. So you can earn this every 2 hours. And the name of the platform is COTP investment platform. So start earning USDT daily. This is an avenue whereby you can grow your capital, whereby you can generate passive income online on daily basis. So this is what I will share with you in today's video. But before I go deeper, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. In LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, I review online investment platform, and I give you my sincere recommendation so that it can serve as a basis for your own personal decision, because you just need to be responsible for your decision, for your choice taking. Okay, so you can check through this channel. There are several videos that has been done in the past on how to generate online or passive income. So these are a few ways whereby I personally make money online, and I think it deserves sharing with you guys. All right, so if you are new on this channel, it's very important that you subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so that you'll be continually aware of the next update, so that you are not going to lose or miss out on any of the information that will be shared here. All right, okay, and if you have any question concerning this video or any of the content here, you can chat me up on WhatsApp through this WhatsApp number here, or you can send me an email through this email address. Okay, and use the comment box of this video for any question that you feel that you want to ask. All right, so once again what we are considering today is COTP investment platform. That is how you can start any online daily COTP investment platform. So for that reason, quickly let me take you to the platform here. So this is the platform here. So you are going to download the app, but you must download it through the platform website, through their own URL address. So let me show you how it looks like, because there are several scam application these days whereby they claim to be COTP, but they just want to get your information so that you can access your account in an unauthorized way for them to cut away your money there. So just make sure that you are on the right website whenever you want to download this app. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So I'm going to open it now. So COTP, they are just it's like an arbitrage trading platform whereby you have an account on different exchange sites so that you can capitalize on the little price difference, and that little price difference will make your own profit. It will be accumulated at the end of the day, and you can earn something reasonable on daily basis. But this depends on your capital. It depends on the total deposit that you have on this platform. So in a nutshell, COTP, it has been registered. They were registered by under US government to carry out financial operations. So let's check some information about this company here. Okay, so you can all read through this: global environmental over-the-counter trading. So this is COTP, that is cryptocurrency over-the-counter trading. That is what COTP really means. So you can check through the company profile. COTP is the blockchain OTC, that is over-the-counter and cryptocurrency exchange platform. So we are committed to improving the liquidity of blockchain assets and allowing more people to enter the blockchain industry. So you can read through about this. So our technology, our encrypted transaction system, uses a secure transaction mechanism combined with unique point-to-point transmission technology, real-time clearing engine, smart digital wallet, extremely high network security, and so on and so forth. So, and also the service includes, when it comes to any risks of cryptocurrency trading through an exchange, COTP ensures the highest form of security, so which is the backbone of what the platform is all about. So, and they also incorporated KYC, that is know your customer. It is very important to show that this company, they really know what they are doing. So KYC ID verification is to verify user identity. So there is no room for theft, there is no room for account doubling, there's no room for that. So it is very, very important in any sustainable platform for them to incorporate KYC in their operation. So now, what is digital currency? Many of you might be familiar with these digital currency. They are like cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Litecoin, USDT, and the rest. So now, what is OTC? OTC is the abbreviation of over the counter. To put it more simply, the service provided by OTC is similar to the cryptocurrency eBay. Like what I said earlier, it's just like an arbitrage whereby you make sales of a similar commodity on the exchange site, and you capitalize on the little difference in price, and that is accumulated on daily basis to make your own daily profits. Now, why use USDT as a payment currency? USDT is a decentralized digital currency linked to the US dollar. As I said earlier, it is equivalent in value in price with the US dollar. So, and it is a stable coin. So it is less volatile than the other cryptocurrency. It is less volatile than the other cryptocurrency. So these are the leaders. These are the the team behind this company. These are the team. So you can chat them, you can contact them. And now, insurance protection, all digital assets held in online storage are fully insured. All digital assets are underwritten by FDI insurance up to a maximum of $250,000 per customer. So this is an assurance that your money is highly secured. Even if there is any theft, even if there is any fraudulent activities, you are insured. So your money is insured up to $250,000 per customer. So you can see that this truly it sounds nice, and is a step up for the security of the platform. So they really know what they are doing. So you can download all these forms. They are the documents for their registration with different government organization. So you can see MSB registration number 3100. So I'm just talking about the legitimacy of COTP, that is crypto's OTC trading platform. So I'm talking about it for now. So now let me take you to the trading platform. So after you have successfully created your account, don't worry, in the description box of this video, I'm going to drop the activation code, because you can't just register and start trading. You need the activation code from your referrer. You need the activation code from the person that invites you to this business, so that it can be in an orderly way. All right, so just don't worry, I'm going to drop the activation code and the registration link in the description box of this video. So just check below to get it and to register on time. Okay, now this is the platform. This is the dashboard, your own dashboard. So we have official, help center, download center, language, apply to be a trader, and about us. And now you click on the down button here, that is the transaction hall. This is where the operation is done. This is where the operation is being carried out. So transaction, you click on transaction hall. So you might have deposited. After you have successfully created your account, then I will advise you to verify your identity, that is identity authorization. You can do that. Then you can you can now deposit. That is, you can fund your account with what you have, with your, depending on your own financial strength, then you fund your account. And I can tell you confidently that in a month you can earn up to 90% of your capital. You can earn up to 90% of your capital, but just needs to be very, very consistent, because it's 2 hours trading on daily basis. No, sorry, that is, you come every 2 hours every day. That is 12 times in a day. So the trade comes up every 2 hours. That is 12 times in 24 hours, 12 times in a day. So you just need to be very, very, very consistent. And maybe you are going to set your alarm so that you'll be aware of the next time you need to trade. So after you might have deposited in your after you might have found your wallet, deposit in your account, then you come to the transaction hall, then you click immediate competition for orders. So the system will now search through. It will search through, and you are going to be connected with a with a user. Okay, as you can see now, this is the region LKR. I don't know the name of this place. LKR market KD. Okay, 275.2 transaction price 277, amount of order. So the market price is 275, but the transaction price is 277. So you can see that this little difference will make my profit on daily basis. I have 50 USDT to trade with, but this order is just for $28, 28 USDT. So I'm going to sell right now. Then I will come back. I will search for another order so that my 50 USDT will be completed. Okay, you can see, congratulations for successful transaction, confirm. Then you click on confirm. So I still have 22 USDT to use. So then again, I will click on immediate competition for orders. So it depends on how much you want to use from what you have deposited. So you click on immediate competition for orders, and the system will search to pair me up with another person again. So let me click on it. Okay, now the next is from HKD. I don't know the name of this company. Sorry, the name of this place, HKD. The market price is 7.82. The transaction price is 7.96. So you can see the differences in price, so which makes the profit on daily basis. So then I click on sell again. I click on sell again. All right, so congratulations for successful transaction. So then I click on confirm, and I still have 8.02 here in my wallet balance. Then I can still click on immediate competition for orders. So the system will search through and link me up with a particular trade. All right, you can see this one is from PKR. I think this should be Pakistan. The market price is 183. The transaction price is 185. All right, so PKR. Okay, I think this should be Pakistan currency. The name of the trader is Z Traders. All right, then I click on sell. Okay, let's wait for it to. Okay, now congratulations for successful transaction. So then I confirm it. I still have 3 USDT in my wallet. So let me check if I can go for another one. Immediate, the balance is lower than 5, failing to compete for orders. So you can't trade with when you have wallet balance that is below 5 USDT. So I have completed 47 USDT transaction now. So that means I will need to come back the next 2 hours, and it might the transaction will have been completed, and my profit will be added up to my wallet balance. So that is how to go about it, and this is a way whereby you can make money on online daily. You just need to be consistent. You come every 2 hours. To click on this immediate competition for orders, and that is how to get it done. So the more the capital, the more the profit. So the more the capital, the more the profit, and it is highly secured. As you can see, it is highly secured, and it has been established in different countries. So many countries around the world. You can see that you have been linked up with a user just like you. You have been linked up with another user just like you, as you can see. So it's not that it's not an arbitrary trade. So you are linked up with another person, and you are getting your income, your profits from the transaction after the completion. So that is how to go about it. And you can also use the withdraw. You can withdraw anytime. So there is no hindrances to your withdrawal, and there is no barrier for that. So you can just make sure that you identify authentication, you verify your identity, and you can grow with your team. You can share your referral link with your friends and family so that they too can benefit from this. So this is one of the ways whereby you can increase your capital on daily basis. You can make money. You can make money in US dollars. You can make money in US dollars on daily basis. You can see these are the profits. These are the completion these are the completed transactions from users all around the world. All around you. These are the completed transaction all around the world. So which shows that this platform is really working well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to end it for now. If you have any question, don't forget to use the comment box of this video, and also check the description box of this channel, of this video, for more information on how to get it done. Okay, and the activation code also will be I will put it in the description box of this video. Don't forget, you can chat me up on WhatsApp, join our Telegram channel, and it is very, very important that you subscribe to this channel for more information on how to make money online. All right, thanks so much once again. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Meet me in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now.